Expanded form of numbers. Now, what do you understand by expanded form of a number? So, whenever you refer any number, let's say you refer 12. So, whenever you are referring number 12, so what do you mean by 12 is 1 is there at tens place and 2 is there at units place. So, what is the place value of this one which is there at the tens place is 10, and what is the place value of this 2 is 2. So actually, if you think that how this 12 number is formed is, you need to add all the place values of the digits which are present in that number. So number 12 is created by 10 plus 2. Similarly, if you have the number 123, then the place value of 1 here is 100, place value of 2 is 20, and place value of 3 is just 3 because it is at units place. So, how 123 is actually created? It is created by summation of 100 plus 20 plus 3. And this is nothing but the expanded form of a number. So, if I ask you to write down the expanded form of a number, expanded form of 12, then 12 is nothing but equal to 10 plus 2. Similarly, expanded form of 123 is nothing but 100 plus 20 plus 3. So it is just a summation of place values of all the digits which are present in that number. Say if I ask you to write down expanded form of a unit digit number, let's say it is 1. Now there is only one digit in number 1, and face value of this 1 present in 1 is 1. At the same time, place value is also 1. So expanded form of 1 is just equal to 1. But expanded form of a 12, if we need to write down expanded form of 12, then what is the place value of first digit, that is place value of 1 in this number is 10, and place value of 2 is 2. So expanded form of 12 is 10 plus 2. Similarly, if there is a number 123 as we have just discussed, so the place value of 1 is 100, place value of 2 is 20, and place value of 3 is just 3. So the expanded form of 123 is 100 plus 20 plus 3. Similarly, if you have a 4-digit number now, so let's say your number is 1, 2, 3, 4, then place value of 1 is 1000, place value of 2 is 200, place value of 3 is 30, place value of 4 is just 4. So expanded form of 1, 2, 3, 4, that is 1234 is 1000 plus 200 plus 30 and plus 4. Now we will try to write down the expanded form of a 5-digit number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is 12,345. Now place value of 1 is 10,000, place value of 2 is 2,000, place value of 3 is 300, place value of 4 is 40, and place value of 5 is 5. So expanded form of this 12,345 is 10,000 plus 2,000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 5. So I hope you have understood what is the expanded form of any number. It is just a summation of place values of all the digits which are present in that particular number. Now we will solve few problems based on expanded form of a number. Write the following numbers in their expanded form. 7545, that is 7545. Now place value of 7 is 7000, place value of 5 is 500, place value of 4 is 40, place value of 5 is just 5. So expanded form of 7545 is 7000 plus 500 plus 40 plus 5. We'll move to next problem. 4050, that is 4050. So place value of 4 is 4000, place value of 0 is 000, that means it is a 0. So place value of 0 is always 0. Place value of 5 is 50. Place value of 0 is 0. So it is 4000 plus 0 plus 50 plus 0, and you can also rewrite it as, by skipping zeros, 4000 plus 50. Next number 65,100. So place value of 6 is 60,000, place value of 5 is 5,000, place value of 1 is 100, 0 and 0. Place values of both the zeros are always 0. So 65,100 we can rewrite it as 60,000 plus 5,000 plus 100 plus 0 and plus 0, and we can rewrite it by skipping zeros, that is 60,000 plus 5,000 plus 100. Next problem, 8,000. Now here there is only one digit and rest of the digits are 0. So place value of this 8 is 8,000. So it is 8,000 is equal to 8,000 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, that is nothing but equal to only 8,000. Next is 12,745. So place value of 1 is 10,000, place value of 2 is 2,000, place value of 7 is 700, place value of 4 is 40, place value of 5 is just 5. So 12,745 is equal to 10,000 plus 2,000 plus 700 plus 40 and plus 5. Now next is 78,999. So place value of 7 is 70,000, place value of 8 is 8,000, place value of 9 is 900, place value of 9 is 90, and place value of 9, which is at units place, is just 9. So 78,999 we can rewrite it as 70,000 plus 8,000 plus 900 plus 90 plus 9. We'll move to next problem, 9,392. Now place value of this 9 is 9,000, place value of 3 is 300, place value of 9, which is at tens place, is 90, and place value of 2 is just 2. So 9,392 is equal to 9,000 plus 300 plus 90 plus 2. Now next is 50,105. So the place value of this first 5, which is at 10,000's place, is 50,000. So 50,000 plus 0 plus place value of this 1 is 100, place value of 0 is 0, and place value of 5, which is at units place, is just 5. So we can rewrite it as 50,000 plus 0 plus 100 plus 0 plus 5, that is nothing but 50,000 plus 100 and plus 5. Now next problem is 70,495. Place value of this 7 is 70,000, place value of 0 is 0, place value of 4 is 400, place value of 9 is 90, place value of 5 is 5. So expanded form can be 70,000 plus 0 plus 400 plus 90 and plus 5. By omitting 0, we can rewrite it as 70,000 plus 400 plus 90 plus 5. And the last problem is 82,727. So place value of 8 is 80,000, place value of 2 is 2,000, place value of 7 is 700, place value of 2 is 20, and place value of 7 is just 7. So 82,727 is 80,000 plus 2,000 plus 700 plus 20 and plus 7. Now we'll move to next variety of problem, problem number 27. That is, write the numbers from their expanded form. Now I've given you expanded form of a number and you need to create the number out of it. 3,000 plus 200 plus 50 plus 7. Now the biggest place value given is of thousands multiple. So 3000. So the number is obviously a 4-digit number. Now 3257. So at thousands place there will be must be 3. At hundreds place there must be 2. At tens place there must be 5, and at units place there must be 7. So the number which we can create is 3257, that is 3257. 10,000 plus 5,000 plus 1. Now here the biggest place value which is given is 10,000. So we can conclude that the number which we want to create is a 5-digit number. Now it is, the place value is given as 10,000. So the face value will be obviously 1, which will come at 10,000's place. So the first digit of the number will be 1. Then we have 5,000. So that means which digit we need to place at 1,000's place is 5. So if at 1,000's place it is 5, then its face value will be 5,000. So second digit will be 5. Now there is nothing given at hundreds place, so we have to place 0 at hundreds place. We have to place 0 at tens place also, and the last part, that is the last digit at units place, will be nothing but 1. So the number which we will be creating is 1500, and so 10,000 plus 5,000 plus 7 is 1 at 10,000's place, 5 at thousands place. Now there is no digit at hundreds place, so 0 at hundreds place, no digit at tens place, so 0 at tens place, and 7 at units place. So the number which we will be creating is 15007, that is 15,007. Next number is 4,000 plus 500 plus 10 plus 3. Now the biggest place value which is given is 4,000. Hence the number which we will be creating will be having 4 digits. So 4,000 plus 500 plus 10 plus 3. Now the first digit at thousands place will be 4. Then at hundreds place there will be 5. At tens place there will be 1, and at units place there will be 3. So we can create the number as 4513, that is 4,513. We'll move ahead. Now fourth problem given is 20,000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 5. Now biggest place value given is this 20,000. So the number which we will be creating is of 5 digit. Now face value will be this 2. So the first digit is 2. Then there is nothing at thousands place, so we will write here 0. Then we will write this 3 at hundreds place, then this 4 at tens place, and this 5 will come as it is at units place. So the number which we will be creating is 20,345. We'll move to next problem. 7,000 plus 80 plus 3. Now the biggest place value is 7,000. So the number will be having 4 digits. So we will write this 7 at thousands place. Now there is no digit to be placed at hundreds place. So we will write 0. Then this 80 at tens place, that is 8 for tens place, and this 3 at units place. So we have 7083, that is 7,083. Now the next number is 90,090 plus 2. Now the biggest place value is 90,000. So the number will have 5 digit. So this 9 will come at 10,000's place. Now there is no place value is given in the form of thousands. So we will write 0 at thousands place. Similarly, no place value is given in terms of hundreds. So here at hundreds place also we will write 0. Then this 9 at tens place, and this 2 at units place. So the number which we will be creating is 90,092. Thank you for watching the complete video. Do subscribe Amrita's link to stay tuned. We are also conducting specialized online batches for Olympiad scholarship and other competitive exams. In case you are interested to join, please WhatsApp on the number displayed on the screen 86258 90471. Thank you.